I'll even use, look, I'll even use a sub, bro. I'll even use a sub. Come on. All right, mods, you could just cancel it. You could cancel it. It's okay. I don't want people to, I don't want to that. You could cancel it. It's not fair to them. It's their point, you know?
Capturing B.
But I will show y'all that you should have, you know, shouldn't have canceled it. It's okay, mods. You can cancel it. We can. What is going on?
Capturing A.
What is happening?
We're engaging Alpha. B secure. Last objective. Get it secure.
What? Oh my god. I didn't realize there was a guy up top as well. Sorry, I just stunned my teammate, but I told you I'm trying this game, chat. Like, where did my nade go? How do I not get that kill? Okay, Smitty, I love you, baby.
We're attacking Alpha.
Bigger than the whole CDL? That is just not true, bro. Yeah, dude, this sub's dog shit. Let me put the AR back on. Hold up. Nah, I'm 100% blaming it on the sub. That thing's washed, bro. That thing's washed. I'm gonna have the most kills still, I promise, chat. I'd put money on it. I would wager someone on it. That lock, bro. Keep that.
Capturing A.
All good, all good. Wait, what was the prediction for the whole lobby or just on my team?
Low on reinforcements.
Whole lobby, right?
Final minute.
What a turd burglar. Why is he playing like that? How did my teammate die? How did he...
Capturing A. We're attacking Alpha. Seconds left.
There's a guy here. Maybe not. Oh, my dick. 1K, I'll send the cash out. Bet, send it first, bro. Send it first for sure, bro. For sure. Wow, nice hacks, dude. This guy's hacking. Can't be really that proud of yourself, can you, little bro? 5 versus 4. Oh, got a K up, though.
No support is available at this time. You're on your own. We're engaging Alpha.
Wait, you need to stop to join the Discord. You do not, man. The Discord's open for anyone. Exclamation mark Discord in the chat, my friend. There is a security. There's like a verification process you got to go through. So, just go to the roles tab right when you get in. There's like a couple emojis you got to click on or whatever, and then there's like a code you got to type. I think it's 1738. Nah, my team sold that round for sure. So watch me lock in here. Hold up. Watch me shoot the late. Wait, you know what? 95 for sure. The strat, for sure. The strat. Watch these beams, homie. Better get that kill. I was about to say. Shit. They're gonna go B. Fuck. No. Nah, 95 to play for show, Mickey. That's what all the best CDL pros play on.
Oh, there's one more by the van.
Dude.
You're taking B.
1v1 squad shit on that guy. It's terrible. Wait, what did I just get obsidian for?
You're taking B.
Just said obsidian. Oh, I gotta put a freaking MCW?
Remain.
My plus.
You're taking B.
Shotsy plays on 97. Oh, okay. That. Whatever he plays on, I want to play on, you know?
10 seconds remaining. You're taking B. The enemy's running low on...
Wait, oh, we cleared that shit? Oh my god, iced up.
Big body bands, remember I used to be dusty.
Insane, bro.
Factory for some reason.
Crab wants to smoke? Man, I'd shit on him. I'd shit on Zuma too, man. Come on, dog. You know what I'm saying?
Switching sides. Control.
Come on, dog. You don't want to chow me, boy.
Secure the objectives. Hit hard and strong.
Man, I ain't worried about what Kason said. That boy built like a pickle.
We're attacking.
Oh my god. Spencer said he'd team up with me sometime. Yeah, I'd team up with him. I'd take down and Zuma. For sure. Be a free 2v2. Me and Spencer would run, boy.
Win it. Capturing A. Capturing B. We're attacking Alpha.
Where are these dukes coming from?
Engaging Alpha.
Man, I'm out of there. I ain't capping that whack point.
Capturing B. Be secure.
Come on. Come on.
Standing up.
Oh. Got a miracle. I got a miracle. Enemy miracle inbound. Jimbo said he wants to play. I'll team up with Jimbo for sure. Jimbo's a for real. He a shooter. Fuck, bro, don't die. Nice. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Nice. What the fuck? Where'd this guy spawning from?
The enemy's low on reinforcements.
Yo, Andre, thank you for the 6-month resub. What's up, bro? Yep, that's exactly what it spells for. That's what it stands for, Egan. Yes, sir.
Capturing A.
I feel like I'm in quicksand, bro. I feel so slow right now.
Missile deployed. We're attacking Alpha.
We're spawn trapping the fuck out of these
30
dudes.
seconds left. Capturing A.
Ow.
We're out of reinforcements. Finish the...
Where's this last at?
We're engaging Alpha.
Come on, man.
Stupid as
Go back to Warzone. Y'all are terrible.
it's a server. You
Yeah, that's what they all
imagine
say.
being on single-digit ping. Yeah,
That's what they all say,
imagine
bruh.
being on single-digit ping.
Wash.
I hope I play against
You're
you.
washed,
whenever
homie.
I'm not on this dog shit.
Control.
Nah, I didn't, JD. I run his world, little bro. I love you, Pillow. I love you, baby.
Defending the objectives is priority one.
Oh, I got shot by him on the left. What up, Kason? I heard there's some beef going on. I heard there's some beef. What's good, bro? What's good? I heard we're beefing now, dog. Oh my god, I thought I killed him. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know,
Enemies
bro.
at Alpha.
I kind of do run them a little bit, but we just don't talk about it too much.
Enemies attacking Alpha.
They call me the anomaly. That's kind of what's going on over here, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, that's our missile.
Friendly cruise missile approaching target.
Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me. Oh, I thought he pushed my right. In chat. I still gave y'all my word that I was gonna be top fragger this game. I'm staying true to that. Staying true to that, chat. Oh wait, one just died. He's gonna spawn behind me.
You're taking B.
Aw, chalk. Wait. What the frick? Oh. I know. I love playing multiplayer, bro. I actually love it so much. Like I genuinely have more fun playing like multiplayer rank than Warzone like pubs, but yeah, we got hella Warzone tournaments coming up, like the World Series of Warzone and that Esports World Cup thing that just got announced, so I'm definitely on Warzone for now, but I love multiplayer, bro. Even when I watch you guys play like multiplayer tournaments and shit, I get so jealous. I love it. Oh, he's gonna get on B last second. I'm out of ammo though. He can't. Oh, I got his foot. Nice.
How are you fucking doing? Like, what?
We've secured the field.
Because you're fat as
Mission
fuck, dog.
accomplished.
Yeah, shut the fuck up, Slappy. You're definitely wrong, you scary ass criminal.
Look at this. Look how fat you are. You were just sticking out from the pillar. You gotta have to lose some weight, fat boy.
Yeah, you're just praying because you're stunned too.
Yo, take that.
Shit.
Who took that L? You did. Take that L.
Yeah, you're wrong and you still fucking suck.
Who's rolling? Not me. You suck.
You bitch.
Dude, trolling the multiplayer rank people is literally the easiest thing ever, dude. They just get so butthurt. Oh, that's fun.